Do you need something powerful or something big? I recommended to you the Machina. To add a little bit of explanation, zoom in, and if you wait a little bit, you don't need to aim for the tiny head. You can aim for the huge body. You can knock down there. Maybe it's going to be hard, but you can get one more shot, right?
No.
With spinning quick play, let's get to the real game. For a sniper, aim is the food stuff. It is important to hit it right, but life isn't that easy. But if it helps sometimes, it's definitely worth it. Oh, and by the way, when you play games, you always have to be careful not to look away, especially when someone after your head. You should be careful! There's heavy and medic rocking our front. At times like this, if you kill an unguarded medic, heavy will die with him. That's what you're talking about, catch two pigeons with one bean. Time goes by like that. Once again, I'm waiting with my sniper friend. Please wait a little longer. Ha! I was waiting here all time. Piece of cake, and while I'm off guard, I turn my back on the spy. And we also call it a casual retribution. But mistakes are just mistakes. Let's get back to the point. The important thing of a sniper is to take a place. The gap between the rock is excellent. Oh, it's him again. Oh, and that friend again.
One Razorback coming up!
If someone keeps putting the knife in the back, let's get the shield. And he'd better get a helmet. Oh, great. If the other team is together like that, there's a high chance that either miss. You know, we live in when you... Ow! Medic! Let's get back to the point. Oh, hello? As a demonstration of a skilled assistant, I'm sure you knew the danger of choosing the wrong place. Let's take another place. A small world over the wood. The blade welcomes me. Let's go back. Let's take a full body shot. Ah, he runs away. Oh, good lord!
Oh my!
What you just saw is Machina's penetration. You can achieve kill two enemies with one shot and take cover heavy head with a charge. Ah! What's that? It's a bit disappointing. Wow. What is that? That's invisible now. That's over. We can kill it. Let's go and say goodnight. Good night, medic. Good night, Heavy. In fact, Sniper doesn't run around, and not in a hurry or angry mood. In a relaxed manner from afar. Look at the guy that's a target. Accordingly, it's sometimes off the mark. I rebuke on my aim. Hey, kill it! Thank you. Oh, what is that? Someone in the back just now. Oh, I saw someone put a knife in my back 5 minutes ago. Twice as many times. I'm not happy to meet you. So, let's have a fight.
Need some help here?
Alrighty then.
Always the end of revenge is vain. But let's say, I won.
I am the spy. Yeah, there's a spy over there. You shake.
The advantage of being able to take a body shot is even such a bad Splimman as my character, the
tiny
hit
head.
difficult
So
level,
tiny, I
the
gotta
hit,
freaking-
the
such a
hit,
tiny-
shut up! And your face is ugly. There was a little commotion. The fact that you can take a body. The fact that you...
Way to go, slugger.
That's it, you can kill him on your own, just shoot. This spot looks pretty good too. I'm going to get the sniper from the side, and I think we've seen medic, so let's aim for him. Dropping over means a lot.
Whoa.
Wow. Well, if Pesos runs away, let's get the chicken. And I want to say thank you, Angie. Let's get back into position. This position doesn't look that good. Wow, what's sticking out there? Oh, pirate. Oh, it's too much. Let's wait here. Heavy, what are you doing there? Oh, it's almost killed me. Oh, please save me. I pretend I don't know. Ow. Let's go back to the game. Oh, there's a refreshing scene. Ah, it's so refreshing. When do you get most angry when you play games? You die as soon as you respond. It just so happens that Heavy's alive. Time is passing by. It's the end of the game. I have a little to do now. Only the enemies. Ow! Sniper needs to aim for the head. That way, 150 damage goes in. I'll die one shot. Of course, you die. It's Machina. And one more time, body shot. In a relax manner. It wasn't much. Anyways, after game is over. That was the biggest pizza. Everyone, have a good day. See you next time.
Thank you so much for watching until here. I'm not familiar with English, but I hope you enjoyed my video. If you give me feedback, I think it will give me a lot of help. Again, that was Biggest Pizza. I love you all.